Hey, hi, hello, what's up? For today's video, we're going to prepare a coffee jelly, but with a twist. So come and join me as I explain the mechanics. Thank you so much for tuning in. For today's video, we're going to make a coffee jelly, but there's going to be a twist because while I'm preparing all of the ingredients and as I prepare the coffee jelly, we'll be having item poetry challenge. So what will be the mechanics of this one? Basically, all I have to do is just get the item that I'll be using in preparation for the coffee jelly, and whatever item that I need to use, I have to make a poetry out of it on the spot. So I don't know how weird it's going to be like, but we'll see. Let's see how it goes. For the sake of the video, I do have a electric stove with me here so that I can prepare it side by side. I guess I need extension cord. Okay, I didn't get an extension cord because I've decided to place it there instead. But let's start preparing for the gelatin. So we need 2 sachets of Nescafe. This is just 1 tablespoon of water for me to dissolve the 2 sachets of coffee. And then what do I have here with me is the gelatin. Oh no, I forgot the challenge. It's so bad. Alright, let's go back. Coffee. You are like a coffee, but not a toffee. You are bittersweet. For the gelatin, and let's revise. Gelatin. Gelatin is an item that I need as I prepare this food that I have vlogged during the quarantine. I'll be adding 1/2 cup of water and I'll be mixing the coffee later on. Just so you know, this one doesn't work with electric stove and this one does work, which I just figured out just now. And by the way, you can also add sugar in this if you want. And I remember, guys, before I can unlock this ingredient, I have to think of a poetry out of it. So, by the way, before you open any cans, just remember to wash off the leaves, wipe it with tissue so that you're sure it's clean. Cream. Something that rhymes with a dream. Yeah, that's us. A team. If you're not going to make 2 mixtures, all you have to do is just 1 Nestle cream or all-purpose cream plus 1 condensed milk. So that will basically do. But for the sake of preparing 1/2 cup of cream plus 1/4 cup of condensed milk. Poetry about condensed milk. Very concentrated sweetener that has so much power. Can give you energy rush that can make you blush. Oh my god! So yeah, unlock. So yeah, I'm just adding a 1/2 cup of condensed milk. Just get another spoon for you to taste. If you like it, don't directly use this one. This is our first mix. Basically, this is 1/2 cup of cream, and then I'll be adding 1/2 cup of condensed milk. It's going to be the second mixture. And there you go. So now that we have the gelatin and the 2 mixture, the less sweet and the normal one, which is a bit sweet for me, I'll be using the sweet one. Enjoy this chill. Don't forget to give a thumbs up or hit the like button if you guys enjoyed this video, and if you think I won the challenge, the item poetry challenge, be the judge and comment down below. And yeah, don't forget to share and subscribe. Keep smiling, keep fighting, always be a blessing. Bye guys.